are here with an unboxing of a box that has been on my channel at least one other time, and I love this box, and the curator of this box is the sweetest person in the world. She sent me another box to review with you guys. So this box is called Jeweled by Jupiter. Jeweled by Jupiter. And this is a jewelry subscription box. And it says, treat yourself or someone else to our Jeweled by Jupiter box. Who doesn't like jewelry? I don't know anybody that doesn't like jewelry. This is an exciting new way to show appreciation and care while gifting amazing jewelry, fashion, and beauty or grooming accessories, and showcase self-care tips and motivational goals for improving quality of life. So this is a monthly box, and it is $26.99 a month, and it sends you trending jewelry and accessories gift box, self-care, beauty, grooming items for men and women alike. So you get a free birthday surprise gift and a birthday card. My birthday is next month on December 22nd. Yes, I was almost a Christmas baby. Almost. It's high quality jewelry and accessories in the latest trends. You can create consistent and effective gratitude and appreciation. Add something new each month to accent your style or completely switch it up. High quality beauty and grooming self-care items that you'll love. So let us get into this box. I just love this box. I cannot wait. All right, here's what we see. Open up. There we go. That's what we see when we open it. Beautiful tissue paper. We have our cards here for the box. And it says exclusive membership savings is save $5 at Jeweled by Jupiter. And exclusive membership services. Subscribe now. Our jewelry selection is top quality and with all of the trending styles you'll love. Each month you'll be gifted with 3 pieces of jewelry and accessories. A glow up card featuring self-care tips, positive affirmations, and life gems to motivate you to be good to yourself and live your best life. Members also get a birthday surprise gift and a birthday card during their birthday months. Refer a friend and both of you get $10 off for 3 months. And there is that, and I will leave all this information down below. And then it looks like they're coming out with another box maybe. It's called Crowned by Jupiter, and it's luxury. They do offer hair and lashes, so that is awesome. I mean, I'm not a lashes girl and I have enough hair here, but I'm sure that there's women out there that love to wear extensions or wigs or lashes. I have a hard time with lashes. We just do not get along, so we had to separate our ways because me and lashes, we have had knockdown, drag out fights. Yes, we have. Okay, so here we go. Get this tissue paper out of my way so I can get to the good stuff in this box. All right, now open up. There is our boxes for our jewelry. Ooh, I can't wait. So let's see, we should go smallest to biggest. Let's do that. So here is our smallest box. They always come in these very neat and pretty boxes. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Look at that beauty. OMG. That is so cute. Ooh wee. Look at that. Let me see if I can put it against this. That way you can see it better. I believe you'll be able to see it better this way, but there is it in all of its sparkling glory. Oh my goodness. It is a ring that is beautiful. We're gonna put this right on because that's just what I'm gonna do because I want to and I think it's gonna be awesome. Ready? Oh, and it fits perfectly. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I want to say they're little, it looks like kind of like flowers. I want to say they're kind of like a flower. That is very pretty. I like that. That is gorgeous. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. On to the next box. Oh boy. This is a wonderful box. There is what is in the next box. It is a bracelet. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that. I am trying to show you it all in its beautifulness. Isn't that just beautiful? It's like, that's a definite statement piece. I do like that. Now I'm going to try and get it on. We shall see if I can get this on. Oh, goodness gracious, come back here. Come back here, come back here. Yeah, I'm gonna, okay, I got it. I got it finally. There it is. It's hard to, there we go. There it is. And then there's the back. I actually did not have to use any part of this extender. It is actually hooked right to the piece because it just is it's a little big, but I don't like it super tight either. So I really like this. This is very cute. I do like this. That is the bracelet and the ring. So far, that is what we've got. Amazing. I love that ring. Love it. Okay, on to the next piece. It's a necklace, ladies. It is a necklace, and you can never have too many necklaces. There it is. Let's see if you can see that. Let me see here what I can do to show you. Let's see if that will work. There we go. How's that? You can see the stone. That is beautiful. It's like she read my mind, really, because I love natural stones. I gotta get the necklace, I dropped it. I love natural stones, and this necklace is right up my alley. There it is. That is beautiful. Just beautiful. I love that stone. Wow, that is so pretty. It's so much easier to see it this way. I don't feel like my light is doing it any justice. The beauty of this is just amazing. Just amazing. I'm really at a loss for words here because I think that this box is truly amazing. I love every time, like the jewelry that I got last time, I love it. I love it. I get so many compliments on the jewelry. When I wear that jewelry, I get so many compliments. And then I'm sure that this jewelry will get just as many compliments because it's really pretty. And I find that come on now, I gravitate more towards this type of jewelry than I do other type of jewelry. My hair is just gonna be a pain in my butt right now. Come on, hair, get out of the way. That is really pretty. Of course, if I had a tan, it would show up better, right? I don't have a tan though, dang it. Oh well, I'm gonna try and put this on and might have to turn you guys off in order to do that again because you don't want to hear me cussing, because I would cuss at this thing because it just, I think I got it. I might not have it, I don't know. Oh, nope, I didn't get it. Doggone it. Okay, now stop it. Look at, sorry about the skin of it all. I have a tank top on and it's just a little chilly for a tank top, so I throw a sweater on underneath it. Okay, I got it finally. So there is the necklace. I'll move you up just a little bit there to see. There it is. I think that is really pretty. Very nice, very nice. I like that. That's very pretty. So that is it for the jewelry. I love this. I love that it's not super tight and it's very pretty statement piece. I love this. This is the simplicity. I like it. It's just straightforward, natural stone. I think it's beautiful. And the ring, of course. What girl doesn't like a sparkly ring? I like that. So we have a few more things in here, and I think that these are the shower, you put them in the shower, and they come in this pretty little bag. Come on now. And then our first one is citrus mint. And I want to say that these are shower steamers. And then this one is jasmine honeysuckle. That one smells yummy, delicious. I like those. Yummy. They smell yummy. I like those, yay. And then you always get a satchel. That's what I was smelling. Wow, that smells delicious. You can place it under the seat of your car. You can put it in your dresser drawer. That smells so good. I think I'm just gonna set it out somewhere. And then we have one last thing, and this is by Garnier Skin Active. And this is a Moisture Bomb Sheet Mask. Super hydrating mask, glow boosting, intensely hydrates, gives skin a luminous complexion and healthy looking radiance. So there is my face mask. I haven't seen one of these ones. This was new to me. It's got one sheet mask in it. Awesome, awesome. So let me know down below what you guys thought of this box. I love this box. I think this box it's an awesome deal for the jewelry that you get. The jewelry is unique and beautiful. I just love this box, and don't forget about my beautiful natural stone necklace. I love that. I just love this necklace. It's so pretty, so pretty. And then of course, and I believe that these are the shower steamers. I think that's what they are, but they smell amazing. And then my satchel, which will go in my intimates drawer, because who doesn't like yummy smelling underwear, right? Right. Okay guys, well that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you'll give Jeweled by Jupiter a chance, because she really does an awesome job with this box, and I really appreciate all the time and the care and the effort that is put into this box to make it so super personal. It is a very good box, and I highly suggest this box. And you know me, if I don't like it, I'm gonna tell you. But I just happen to love this box. So if you guys want to get your own Jeweled by Jupiter, I will leave all the information down below in the description bar, and you can head on over to Crate Joy and get yourself one of these boxes, because they are amazing. Why wouldn't you want an amazing box in your life, right? right. Okay, and once again, this box is $26.99, and you get 3 pieces of jewelry, and then you get some accessories, bath bombs, self-care items. You could get a mixture of all of that. So, all right, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right over there, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let Erica know that this box is amazing. So, I will see you guys in my next video real soon. Thank you all so much for your support, and I just love you guys. You're the best subscribers a YouTuber could ever ask for. All right, guys, I'm out of here. I will see you in my next video.